In this chapter, we are going to study ancient and modern Olympics, Olympic schools, ideals, objectives and values. International Olympic Committee, Indian Olympic Association, Sports Awards, Organizational setup of CBSE Sports, Chacha Nehru Sports Award and recapitulation. Introduction. The history of sports in India dates back to the Vedic age. The mantra in the Atharva Ved says, "Duty is in my right hand and the fruits of victory in my left." These words hold the same sentiments as the traditional Olympic oath, "For the honor of my country and the glory of sport." The modern Olympic Games are leading international sporting events with more than 200 nations participating. The goal: ancient and modern Olympic, summer and winter. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years, with the summer and winter games alternating by occurring every 4 years but 2 years apart. Most of the people cannot imagine how old the Olympic Games actually are. Let's study the ancient Olympic. Ancient Olympic Games. There are many stories about the origin of games, but the written record is found from 776 BCE. The games were held in the honor of god Zeus. The Olympics is derived from Lord Olympia, a valley where first 7 games were held. At that time, the games were linked to religious festivals honoring him. The games were held in the city of Olympia and obtained their name from it. According to some historians, Greece was divided into small states which were called city-states. Owing to mutual battles among these small states, Olympic Games organized. Whatever the reason behind the beginning was, it is a fact that these games were organized first time in Olympia. Once the Roman emperors formally adopted Christianity, they discouraged old pagan religious practices. Since the Olympic Games were first and foremost a religious celebration in honor of Zeus, they held no place in the Christian Empire. The Emperor Theodosius I legally abolished the Games in 393 or 394 AD. When the Olympic Games were organized in 776 BCE, certain rules were framed on bronze plate. Rules of competitions. The competitor must be only a Greek. Women were not allowed to take part or see these games. Once you enter, you cannot leave the Olympics. Only free men, not slaves, that could speak Greek were allowed to compete. Participants had to practice for 1 month. Opening ceremony of games. On the day of opening ceremony, all the players, their relatives and trainers used to assemble in the auditorium. All the players used to come out of the sport arena. Players were introduced to the spectators. If spectators had any objection, player was not allowed to participate. Awards. Only food grains and animals were given as a reward. A crown made of olive leaves was given to the winners. Statues were also made of the winners. Modern Olympic Games. The credit to start the modern Olympic Games goes to Baron Pierre de Coubertin of France. He is also known as the father of modern Olympics. The first Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. 9 countries participated in it. Since then, the Olympic Games are played after every 4 years. Olympic motto comprises 3 words: faster, higher, stronger. The rings are 5 interlocking rings colored blue, yellow, black, green and red on a white field known as the Olympic rings. The Olympic flames is a symbol of knowledge, life, happiness and peace and kindled in Olympic village of Greece. The first, second and third place holders are awarded with gold, silver and bronze. The next 5 places holders are also awarded with certificates. During the opening of Olympic Games, oath-taking ceremony is held by the athletes who assemble in the sports stadium. We promise to take part in these Olympic Games, respecting and abiding by the rules and in the spirit of fair play. We all commit ourselves to sport without doping and cheating. We do this for the glory of sport, for the honor of our teams, and in respect of the fundamental principles of Olympism. All men and women can take part in the Olympic Games. All the sportspersons take part in the march past. The President or Prime Minister declares the Games open in the stadium. Olympic flag is hoisted and Olympic flames of the stadium is kindled by the torch. The closing ceremonies begins with the raising of the host country's flag and a performance of its national anthem. The President of the International Olympic Committee declares the Games closed. The Olympic flame is extinguished. The Games come to an end with the Olympic song. Test yourself. For revival of modern Olympic Games, credit goes to A. Baron-Pierre de Coubertin, B. Jacques Rogge, C. Thomas Bach, D. Avery Brundage. The answer is A. Baron-Pierre de Coubertin. Explanation. For revival of modern Olympic Games, credit goes to the Baron-Pierre de Coubertin of France. Summer Olympic Games. The Summer Olympic Games first held in 1896. The United States has hosted the Games 4 times in 1904, 1932, 1984 and 1996. The IOC has selected Tokyo in Japan to host the Summer Olympics for a second time in 2020. The 2024 Summer Olympics will be held in Paris, France. The IOC has also selected Los Angeles, California to host Summer Games in 2028. To date, only 5 countries, that is, Australia, France, Great Britain, Greece, and Switzerland have participated in every Summer Olympic Games. Winter Olympic Games. Winter Olympic Games is a major international sporting event that occurs once every 4 years. The Winter Olympics feature sports practiced on snow and ice. The first Winter Olympics was held in Chamonix, France in 1924. The Winter Olympics has been hosted on 3 continents by 11 different countries. The Games have been held in the United States 4 times, 1932, 1960, 1980, 2002, in France 3 times, 1924, 1968, 1992. The IOC has selected Pyeongchang, South Korea to host the 2018 Winter Olympics. The host city for the 2022 Winter Olympics is Beijing in China. Olympic symbols, ideals, objectives and values. Olympism is a philosophy of life, exalting and combining in a balanced whole the qualities of body, will and mind. Olympic symbols or emblem. It comprises 5 interlinked rings of 5 colors, that is, blue, black, red, yellow and green. The rings symbolize the union of 5 continents and meeting of the athletes from all over the world at Olympics. Olympic motto. The Olympic motto is made up of 3 Latin words, Citius, Altius, Fortius. These words mean faster, higher, stronger.